Most wealthy individuals become wealthy in one of four ways. 1. They live below their means, hence save more than they spend. 2. They expand their means, hence grow their income. 3. They both save and grow income. 4. They inherit their money. Some of the individuals who fall into the expand their means or inherit their money categories have something in common. They often do not pay attention to details. What I mean is that they don't review their monthly bank transactions, monthly bills, or monthly credit card statements in order to make sure there are no unauthorized transactions or fees. They also don't review transactions such as hotel bills, retail purchases, or restaurant tabs to make sure they were not overcharged and paid the correct amount. They also don't review their expenses at least once a year to see if they can reduce those expenses for the following year. For example, cable and cell phone costs keep going down due to increased competition. If you do not spend any time trying to find the lowest price, it could result in you paying more than you should. 2. They watch their pennies but blow their dollars. Many millionaires are frugal. By frugal, I mean they penny pinch. Dry cleaner costs, bank fees, credit card fees, landscaper costs, grooming expenses such as haircuts and manicures, professional service fees such as CPA, attorneys, doctor, and dentist charges. They will fight if they think they were overcharged for a grocery item or a restaurant charge. And then these same penny pinchers will go out and buy a boat, Tesla, a diamond ring, or take an absurdly expensive vacation. I have seen far too many wealthy business owners fight to keep wages down at their business only to spend those hard-fought savings on yachts, big homes, or expensive cars. While it's a rich habit to watch your pennies, it is a poor habit when you take those hard-earned pennies and make an expensive emotional purchase. Staying wealthy is not as hard as getting wealthy, but it's still hard. 3. They get too emotional about their investments. The vast majority of the rich are long-term investors. They buy, hold, and never panic. In fact, when the economy turns south, they might even double down on their investments, buying more at a discounted price. But I've seen some wealthy individuals who invest aggressively and continue to do so until the economy turns south. Then they panic and begin unloading their investments, hence start losing money. 4. They keep all of their eggs in one basket. Those with the greatest amount of wealth have 3 or more streams of income. This is strategic. When one stream dries up due to economic downturns, the other streams of income can come to the rescue like a knight riding on a white horse. But some rich people make the mistake of tying the bulk of their assets up in one place, such as their own business or in real estate. 2 very illiquid investments. For these wealthy individuals, when something goes wrong, they are forced to sell some of their investments at a discount or increase their debt by securing a loan or tapping their credit line. 5. They don't plan for the future in a realistic way. Another common money misstep is lack of proper planning. The 3 big missteps in this category include 1. Lack of adequate retirement planning. 2. Lack of adequate estate planning. 3. Not having an updated will. 6. They are too generous. Too much of anything is bad, and this applies to giving away your money. Once you give away your money, it's gone. Self-made millionaires are pretty responsible when it comes to distributing their wealth to others in need, but those who inherit their money or those to whom the money comes with little effort have a tendency to be irresponsible with their giving. When you don't have to work very hard for your wealth, you simply do not value that money as much as you otherwise would, and there is a tendency to give too much of it away to family, friends, or charities. Once people find out you're rich, they hit you up for money. This can come from every direction and overwhelm you. Those who anticipate this deluge establish a maximum amount of money they are willing to give away every year. Staying wealthy is not as hard as getting wealthy, but it's still hard. Any one of these 6 blunders can act like an anchor dragging you down off your mountain of wealth. Being aware of them is probably the best insurance you can have to preserve your wealth.